So, I ordered this wooden box from TEMU. It was cheap, so I wasn't expecting much, and then it arrived. It looked exactly how you'd expect. Boring, light as a feather, and about as exciting as a plank. Naturally, I had to fix that. Good thing I have a laser CNC just begging for attention. Before I did anything dumb, like ruining the only part of this box that makes it a box, I ran a test. Just some scrap wood to make sure the pattern wouldn't look awful once it's engraved. After a few test burns and dialing in the settings, I was ready. But the box? Well, it was too tall for the CNC, so I had to disassemble it. I removed the lid so it can fit under the gantry. For the design, I wanted something clean and decorative. I found a seamless pattern generator online called PatternMonster and I whipped up a geometric design. I downloaded the file, pulled it into LaserGRBL and vectorized the outlines. The first engraving pass focused on clean outlines. Nothing too deep, just enough to get those sharp lines in. I adjusted the speed and power based on the test, just to avoid any surprises. With the outlines done, I loaded up the same design, but switched to line fill. This brought out more contrast and gave the pattern a subtle shadowed effect. It looked awesome, but the burnt wood was coming off on my hands every time I touched it. So I sealed it with a few coats of clear lacquer. It locked in the char and gave it a nice finish. Once everything was dry, I reassembled the box, the pieces fit back together cleanly, and the final result looked far more polished than where it started. The engraving gave it character, and the finish made it practical. So yeah, from basic and boring to engraved and awesome. All thanks to a laser, a cheap box and a bit of overthinking. If you like this project, drop a like or let me know what random object I should laser next. Until next time, stay crafty, comrades.